ki khubor ka batisi TV lawan ra ashapi dak orange Nissan looms hop ho near fire brigade Shillong ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong ka 3 Olives restaurant bala play nakbantaban shakriya phi hapo ka jingada jong ka bio bubble antivirus coating ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom ka jakai le kai bapaw ha Shillong bala yada na ka bio bubble antivirus coating bala le da ka Meva Enterprise
Uba Preston tinsong ha ka arphunai trik uno pra arjar arpho ulaong ba ulong uba kloy ban Hiar mardor na ka Shuki ka ba uban kum usembut menteri rangba jong ka sarkar jilla lada ka sengking atiar hanyo trap National Liberation Council kala ban pensisha ba ki kot kisla ki ba Biang halor ka jingkenno ba ka sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kadon kti ban penyat tu ya ka jingshalan ya udoyong na ka jilla Meghalaya habakren shikilat pathay khubor uba Preston tinsong ula kentur ya gani ka sengking atiar bakamde ban shukentho rumah klem da don ki Sakhi ki Sabut ki Biang kum ban shupen ken mau ha ukurwo bala pha da general secretary kom publicity secretary jong gani ka sengking atiar uba san kupar nong terau ka Hnlc kala kenno baki breu ki badan kti ban penyat ya ka jingshalan Biang ya udoyong napo ka jela Meghalaya kilong nado menteri rangba jong ka sarkar jela u Konrad Kongkel Sangma usembut menteri rangba ke jela uba Preston tinsong u menteri jong ka tenat ki kampo ying uba la kemen remboi bat ki head officer ka sarkar jela.
See, this allegation is allegation. As I said to you, don't talk irresponsibly. We are all, you see, we are all human beings. If you talk this kind of things without having any documents or without having any factuality, I think we need to, refrain ourselves from such statements. So I have nothing to say on that. Because if they do have the allegation with documents, I'm ready even to step down. Up to that extent, I'm ready to step down. Okay? See, that I can't say, because let me just tell you one thing. If you really wanted for peace talk, number one, please come out officially. Not just to say in the news, or not to just send a note to social media, because government cannot treat that as official. If you are really serious, kindly send us official communication so that we can take it up with the central government. But in spite of that, from the state government, we have already submitted our report to the government of India for talks. Okay, for talks. But still, I would request Hnlc, please send your official communication also, both to state government as well as to central government. The state government, we have already sent our views to the central government, though we don't have any official communication which we supposed to have from their side. We don't, but still we send our views to the government of India and let government of India, because ultimately if you talk about dialogue, talk, peace talk, this cannot be done only between Hnlc and the state government.